Come on and ride that train. It's the new learning sensation. Ride that train. Every school across the nation. Ride that train. English, math, science, history. Ride that train. That's S.O.L train. Community helpers are always standing by. Community helpers dedicate their lives to caring for all our needs. When we grow up, then we can be community helpers, helping our community. Builders make our houses, farmers grow our food, cooks fix all our lunches, and teachers help us at school. Who am I? Who am I? A president who doesn't lie. Honest Abe is what I'm called. My stovepipe hat is very tall. Who am I?